Alrighty, fellers. Budgie looking a little bit different these days. For those of you that don't know, Budgie's a late 70s MTD. I think it's 820 series. But I have completely redone the front half of this frame. You can see I got the Oppie over there, the hood's there. Completely redone the front half of this frame. Got rid of all the MTD nonsense. And I'm very excited about the steering setup I have going on under here. I have a Club Car DS steering rack to a Sears style steering splitter, mounted in bearings. You can't see it up in there, but mounted in bearings, so pretty nice. And this front axle I have is from a John Deere of some sort. It's a 25 millimeter, basically 1 inch spindle straight axle, not swept. I think I have it set at about a 48.5 inch wheelbase, something like that. You can see I have 25 12.9 Argos on the back. Really stoked about those. I have not got to try a set of that particular size yet. And yeah, I just got my little steering drive shaft in here and the lower mount support. I'm gonna do an upper one too. I don't want this dash being anything but a dash. I don't want it supporting anything. But just got that in here, and I just got it to try out my steering. It is at a little over 2 turns now, so there's 1, and there's 2, and then a little bit more. And that is a pretty tight steering for a frame of this width. Wheel horses, really easy to make them steer tight, but with like Sears and something like this, it's kind of harder. But it's right up in there. And it feels very direct, very responsive, just going off of vice grips on the steering shaft. But very excited about this. Let's see. Some other stuff I have going on with this. Redoing the clutch setup. The clutch arm used to be under the frame, and I'm going to mount it up here. I have to set the engine back up on here to figure out where I'm going to need that clutch arm. But yeah, really stoked about this. Oh yeah, got hydraulic brakes going under there. They're going to be hooked to the clutch pedal because I like a clutch brake. Yeah, a lot more to go on this, but it is a whole lot better than the original setup I had going on with this. So yeah, excited to get this thing on the trails.